If you're homeschooling, one of the most difficult things to do is to decide on a curriculum or courses for your kids. I get it. I've been a homeschool mom since 2008. And before that, I was a longtime public school teacher, so picking out curricula is something that I've dealt with for a long time. Well, today I want to offer you an option. My name is Emily Boever. I'm a writer and a teacher, and I'm offering online courses teaching the art of fiction writing for grades 6 through 12. It's called the Hero Course, and here's how it works. Over a 12-week period, the students and I will watch 3 movies and read 3 short stories. Then we'll discuss the essential elements of storytelling that are found in all of these works. The movies are Captain America, Star Wars A New Hope, and The Incredibles, hence the name, the Hero Course. Now, students are going to use the skills that they learn in this course to do 2 things. First, they'll make a short movie, and then they'll write a short story. As I said, this is a 12-week course. The online class meetings are held once a week, and students are given assignments for the other days of the week, which they'll need to turn in to me in preparation for our class meetings. Students and parents will also have access to me throughout the course, and I will collect and grade all of the assignments. Now, I plan to keep these classes small, so if you want to claim a space, it's best to sign up before all of the spots are gone. You'll see that the courses are offered by grade level. There's one section for grades 6 through 8 and another section for grades 9 through 12. There's going to be links below with lots of information about the courses and access to the course syllabus. If you have questions about the Hero course, or if you have questions about anything reading, writing, or homeschool related, please contact me through that same link. I look forward to talking to you all. So long.